Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day, and again you're in my kitchen because I'm going to show you how I prepare my lunch for the entire week. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. Okay, I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to try and show you the stuff I prepare so I can go to work, eat something that I prepare and not be like starving. It has to be something that I know is fresh, that I know is going to taste good, that I know I will not starve. I don't have breakfast and I typically have lunch at about 1. So yeah, there's a lot of hours there without any kind of food. And I want to keep it simple because I know that when I deviate from the foods that I eat, then is when I start cheating on my diet. So I want to keep it simple, and to me, simple means many times repetitive. But you can make it mean whatever you want it to mean. For me, it's kind of staying in my safe zone. Let me show you what I mean. Let me show you my spread first, okay? So if you want to see me, I have to squat down like this. And I'm not going to because it's too much work. But this is my salad. I have a mixture. I have some watercress. I have some artichoke in oil and vinegar. I have some pickled vegetables. And I have this really interesting thing that I had never heard of before. It's called pickled patty pan squash. And if you take a look over here, I am seeping some, what do you call that, ginger root and turmeric, because I make a concoction that I drink from that. So now let me show you how simple this is. I take the pans that I'm going to use. So I take one for every day that I'm going to be going to work. In this case, I'm only using 4 because we've got a day off today. It's Labor Day. And then, of course, with clean hands, I go ahead and with clean hands, I put in all my salad, and I probably will not need this one, but I wanted to show you. This one is a mixture of all kinds of vegetables, and this one is like coleslaw, so I will need short. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one too because I'm short. I need more for that one. And this has to be fast. You do not want to have to prepare a lunch that's going to take you a lot of time and effort, because then you're not going to want to prepare it, and then you're going to go out to eat something that's not healthy. And you don't want to do that. You don't want to go over your calories. So I actually like this coleslaw better because it lasts longer. And then I just go ahead and put a little bit of this on each salad. And what I like is that if I make the same salad for every day, then I know how many calories are in my salad. Now, watercress has very little calories, but in terms of the carbs, how many does it have? It has 9. So you want to be careful. It has too many carbs, in my opinion. But you want to be careful. Then I put this in there, which I love. Totally love this. And it has a really good oil-based like dressing. So I don't need to put any salad dressing because it already has one. And that's it. Put some of this in there. Put some of this in there. And then this, which I don't know what it is, but I know I cannot put more than 3 because I've already counted the calories, and I know that if I put more than 3, I'm putting too much. And my final thing is this. Put some of this in there. And that's it. I'm done. See how fast that was? That was so easy. So I know I'm gonna like this salad. I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe, but more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and truth.